this hamster, I'm up with you. Be in a better place. The people of Muskegon and the community, they're real excited about this show, almost as excited as I am. And the Folds of Honor, what a great partnership and what a great organization. So I'm going to dive in here and try a couple tumbles and just kind of warm up for later on.
And that's the Huey?
Yes, sir, man.
Huey, depart at your discretion.
Ready to go.
Huey, depart at your discretion.
Oh, go back to airball. Absolutely. You know, you got to practice. If you're going to do negative G later, you got to do a little bit of it now, just like this. Absolutely. Oh, there's the blood. Oh, there. Now I can think clearly. Absolutely not. No, that whole negative G experience is new in this environment. But it's not too bad on you, not too bad. I'm going to come in and try one of my David's tumbles here. It's about my fourth or fifth practice. And I really don't use any rudder because I was so tired that day. So I'm going to show you David's tumble right here.
You take my coloring off the right.
I'll go back there, Rob.
Make some noise.
Oh, yeah.
25, can we taxi down to 6?
Speed 25, you want a taxi?
Hey, we're clear to taxi to 6.
Yes, sir. Taxi runway 6. I'll give it back to the tower here in a moment.
Copy, I'm already in Chicago.
472, to Chicago Airport via Gipper, total Pluso, Mech 5 arrival direct. Maintain 4,000, expect 8,010 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 133.82, squawk 4360.
Scott.
So, Mech 5 arrival, then direct. I maintain 4,000, 8,010 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 133.82, squawk 4360.
Sunday 473 back is correct.
Speed 17, Airbus.
We're going to taxi out for a ride.
17, taxi runway 6.
Going to 6. C-17.
30 degrees at 5. V-17 on your tower frequency. And as soon as Rosie departs, I'll put him on your frequency and you have it all.
Airbus, copy.
1,000, expect 15,010 minutes after. Departure frequency 133.82, squawk 3134.
Call 12625 when you come back.
25,